Hello friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technicals. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also, please press the bell icon. Welcome to weekly wrap. Okay, now we'll just check the position of the Nifty. So this is a weekly chart. You can see here. This is a weekly chart. You can see weekly chart. In weekly chart, market has gone up. It will take a resistance at 10,309. 10,327. It will be a strong resistance. Okay, if it breaks, it will go up to 10,627. You can see the consolidation happening here. So this portion here may be a consolidation before going up. If it has to go up as per weekly chart, 10,726 has to be broken, then it will go furthermore up, because you can see the consolidation here happening. Okay, here also once it reaches 10,336, it may come down or it may consolidate. If it has to go up, it requires very good volume. Friday was in volume supported move. Okay, we'll change it to day candle. Okay, you can see here Friday we were expecting the market to come down because Thursday move was not with volume supported just because of Reliance. Market has gone up. Also it was volume supported and turnover also was very good. Again you can see the same point, 10,000, this high 10,327 is a very important point. If it breaks, it will go up. If it doesn't break, it will come down. Okay, if it breaks, it can go up to, see here market has tested once this 10,554. In this, if you see this 10,554 exactly at 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, it's likely to touch and then come down. Okay, as of today. Tomorrow we will see if it's a very good volume is there, turnover is there. You can see here, I will just show you our chart from 15th to 19th. If you see, the volume has increased. You can see here volume has increased and turnover has increased very much. Friday you can see the turnover 48,000 crore. Volume in lakhs is 8,920. Earlier it was 6,228. So very big increase in volume and turnover. So you can see here it's showing in the chart. If it increases, we may see some very good move, right? In 1 hour chart, again the same point, 10,327 is a very crucial. Let it break tomorrow, or if it comes down, then we will analyze it tomorrow. You can see here, right? Now we will see FII DI data. This is for weekly, still month still date, that is still 19th. Okay, FII were net buyers and DI were also net buyers, but their buying is very negligible. Here there is a 8,000 crore buying has happened, right? Global data, morning you please check the global data. Okay, there is change of 0.03% in Nasdaq, and SGX Nifty is minus 0.96%, 98 points down when it closed. Okay, morning you please check around 8:30. That will be more reliable. That data will be more reliable. Okay, now we will go to volume analysis. You can see here the Friday move. You can see the Friday move was volume supported. You can see Thursday move was not volume supported, but Friday move was volume supported. It had a very good volume, more than average. So as per volume analysis and price action, it is bullish. Okay, let us check in the what you call our options data, right? Options data, you can see 10,300 is a strong resistance, and the next resistance is 10,400. Okay, all call writers have squared off their positions. You can see here, that is clear indication that market may move up. Okay, you can see here all call writers have squared it off here. There is put writing has happened in the money. That means in the money put writing is happening, means market may go up. Okay, and one more thing is in our Excel sheet, okay, we can find out the unusual activity of in options chain, right? That we have shown it in Sun Pharma and Reliance also we shown. Now you can see, 1 minute. This Excel sheet will tell us where the unusual activity is happening. You can see some unusual activity happening at 9,000 put. Okay, far out of the money, what they will do generally, they will buy. There is a build up of 51 lakh. Okay, 51 lakh change why in 9,000 put. This expiry, will market come to 9,000? It's a big question. But everything else is bullish except this build up. Okay, even when market went down, they had a build up around what you call, you can see change in open interest is 7,45,000. The total build up is 51 lakhs. It's not a small thing. You can see I have highlighted now in yellow. Now none of the place the build up is 51 lakhs or nearer to 51 lakhs. Here you can see it is 51 lakhs. This is one of the question which market will answer, right? Now we will check Bank Nifty. Okay, this is Bank Nifty. Okay, we will take a weekly candle. Okay, see, weekly candle is also bullish. Okay, it has to break this high. Okay, last week's high is around 21,805. Okay, if it breaks, then you can see the 21,966. This candle will act as a resistance here also. If market breaks that, then it may move up. With, we have to compare it with Nifty and then play the Bank Nifty. This is daily candle. You can see here same thing, 38.2% retracement is there. If it breaks, it will go up, right? In 1 hour candle, even in 1 hour candle is suggesting the same points. When multiple charts suggest to same points, then that will act as a very good support and resistance, right friends? Hope it is clear. There is a, as per chart, as per volume, as per what you call price action, as per OI data, everything is bullish except that 9,000 PE build up, which our Excel sheet will highlight us and show us wherever there is unusual activity is happening in the option chart. Even in stocks it can show, even in indices it will show, right? Now we will go to the question of the day. Here it is. Okay, now this is the question of the day. Price increase, volume increase, delivery percentage increase, what is the conclusion? Think well and then answer. Price increase, volume increase, delivery percentage increase, what is the conclusion? We will have a video on this. I will just explain you how it is, okay, why it is bullish, why it is bearish, all those points, right? Hope this video was useful, friends. Okay, please subscribe, press the bell icon, okay, and also give a thumbs up to our video. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.